I'll tell you honestly. So I was looking for some matrimonial site, and you know how the matrimonial sites are. It's sometimes very overwhelming. The dating sites and the matrimonial sites, because what happens most of the time, when you go through all those other experiences online, then people just back off. They don't have a good experience, just back off. I had one off in my life. But I somehow healed from it. I'm open-minded now because everyone is not the same, So I'm open to the new things, and that is where I was looking for it. I was looking for which is more, designed in the way there are nicely filtered so that, there is a trust in the whole system involved. Somebody has mentioned about this thing on, I was just how to go about it and what is the best. So somebody in some, blog had written about your website, and then I just screened through it. I really felt very good energy and all, and that is how I was like, let me give a try.